Hello, grade 2. This is teacher Mira, and this is our ninth video. I hope everything is well with you. Keep safe and don't forget to sanitize all the time. Now, today's lesson is all about money, dollars and cents. It is on page 34 to 35 of your learner's book 3. Now, let me share to you our goals today. First goal is use money notation, the dollar and the cent. And second is use addition facts to count amount of money. Now, we will be talking about US money coins. US means United States of America, and we'll be talking about their coins. I'm sure you know these coins already. So let's talk about the first coin. It's called a penny, and a penny has a value of 1 cent. The second coin right here is called a nickel, and it has a value of 5 cents. This third coin here is a dime, and it has a value of 10 cents. The fourth coin here is a $1/4, and it has a value of 25 cents. This coin here is called a $half, and it has a value of 50 cents. And the last coin that you see here is called a dollar, and it has a value of 100 cents. Now these are the cents or the coins rather that we will be talking and using today. So you know already their values. Now let's go to page 34 of your learner's book. You can see Let's Investigate. So Let's Investigate is a game wherein you can play with someone who is with you today. It could be your mom, your dad, or your siblings, your brother, your sister. So it could be played by 2 players or more. It depends on who will play with you. But before we play, let me tell you that a cent is a coin equal to 100 of a dollar. So let's investigate. You will be needing 1 cent. So you can cut like this, a circle, and write 1 cent. So you can do like this for the game. And you'll be needing some 5 cents as well. So in the 5 cents, you can cut as well a circle bigger than the 1 cent and then write 5 cents. And then after that, you'll be needing a pencil. You'll be using the tip of the pencil. And then you'll be using as well a paper clip. So any available paper clip that you have at home, you can use it. Wherein you're going to move the paper clip like that. Make sure that there is a point so that you'll be using this one as your spinner. There you go. So you will need some 1 cent and 5 cent coins and a paper clip. Pin the paper clip on the spinner, hold it in place with your pencil, collect what the clip is pointing to. If it points to 1 cent, then get 1 cent for yourself. And then another player will play the same thing. If it points to 3 cents, then you are going to get 3 cents. 1, 2, 3. So it depends on where the tip of the paper clip will point. And then when you have 5 1 cent coins, change them for 5 cents. The player who is the first to have 15 cents is the winner. So let me show you a video on how to play it. Put at the center the paper clip and hold it, yes, with a pencil. And if it points to 1 cent, then you get 1 cent for yourself if you are the player 1. And then if you are your mom is the player 2, for example, and it points to 3 cents. So you are going to put 3 cents there in player two's board. There. So you are going to play that way until, for example, you have 5 1 cents already. So you are going to change that for 1 5-cent coin. And if you have already 3 5 cents and it's equal to 15 cents, you are the winner. So that is how you're going to play the Let's Investigate. You can try that one after this video with your family. So let's move. Let's play Show Me the Money game. In this game, you're going to use only the given coins to make money. And you're going to say your answer. So for example, says here, make 12 cents in any way. So you have there different coins and make 12 cents. So for example, you can say 5 cents and 5 cents and 1 cent and 1 cent is equal to 12 cents. So if you are correct, you'll see that there's a star. So if you say it first in this game, then you will get a point. So you can play this one again with someone who's with you, your parents. It could be your mom, your dad, your brother, or your sister. You can play with this one. If you say it first, then you get 1 point. But if your brother, for example, or sister say it first, then he or she will get the point. Now, if you say it correctly, you will get 1 point, but there are other ways. If you say it with the other way, like this, 10 cents plus 1 cent plus 1 cent is equal to 12 cents, then you will also get the point. Okay, now let's begin. Are you both ready for this game? Go. Make 50 cents in any ways. Say your answer loud and clear. Good job. I heard you say 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents is equal to 50 cents. Right. Is there any other way? Let's see. Yes. You can say 25 cents plus 5 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents is equal to 50 cents. Very good. Okay, next. I hope you get the first point. Make 90 cents in any way. Go. Very good. I'm sure you say 50 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents plus 10 cents equals 90 cents. Right. Good job right there. Is there any other way? Let's see. Yes. So you can say also 50 cents plus 25 cents plus 5 cents plus 10 cents. And that is equal to 90 cents. Very good. Next. Make 10 cents using coins of the same value. To use only one coin with the same value. Let's see. Yes, I'm sure you say it so long. That's 5 cents plus 5 cents. Or, do we have another? Yes. You are going to say 1 cent rather 10 times. 1 cent, 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 plus 1 cent plus 1 cent. That's equal to 10 cents. Very good. Next, make 70 cents using only 5 cents and 2 cent coins. Are you ready? No. Oh, it's 5 cents and 25-cent coins. Okay, 70 cents. There. So if you say 25 cents plus 25 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents, you are correct. It's equal to 70 cents. Make 20 cents using 1 cent and 5-cent coins. Go. Perfect. Did I hear you say 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 1 cent plus 1 cent plus 1 cent plus 1 cent and 1 cent? So that is equal to 20 cents. Very good. Or do we have another way? No more. Next, make 12 cents in any way. Yes, good. So 10 cents plus 1 cent plus 1 cent. Is there any other way? Yes, you can say also 5 cents plus 5 cents plus 1 cent plus 1 cent. That's equal to 12 cents. Good job. So you know already the US money coins, and I'm sure you win the game. So this is now the coins, and the unit is cent or cent. So you are going to look at how we write this one in dollars. So if the unit is dollar, 1 cent is written this way. If it's 5 cents, you are going to write it in this way. If the unit is dollar. And in 10 cents, you are going to write this way in dollar. For the 25 cents, for 50 cents, for 100 cents, since it is equal to $1, so you are going to write this way. So you see already a dot, that is already the decimal. Okay, now I want you to see if it is written in dollar, we have already the dollar and the cent. So 3 here, 3 right here is the dollar, and 35 is the cent. So $3 and 35 cents. So if you are going to add together this amount of money, I know you have this one, you know already how to add in this way. So you are going to add first this line, these numbers here. So 5 plus 5, so 5 plus 5 plus 5, let's see equal here, is equal to 15. So you write 5 here, and then 1 right there. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10. So you put the 0 and put that one here, and carry 1 right there because it's 10. So 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 10. So it is $10.05. If you are going to add the amount of money in dollars and in cents, let me check if the answer is correct. $10.05. So that is how you are going to add money together in dollars and in cents. Don't forget to put the dots. It is um, where you can see that the other side is a dollar and the other side is the cent. So let's play, but let me erase that one first. Okay, you are going to play spotted game. In this game, you are going to look for the correct answer. Yep, you're going to look for the correct answer in this game. For example, spot the right one, point, and say your answer. Here, I have here the different amounts of money. You're going to add them together so that the answer is $4.35. So you're going to add, you can use a paper or your notebook and try to add and find the correct answer. If you can see the correct answer, you point the correct answer and say. So for example, if the correct answer is $1.50 plus $2.75 is equal to $4.35, you point that and then you say $1.60 plus $2.75 is equal to $4.35. If you point and say it first, then you will get the point. If you don't, then that some who's with you, playing with you, will get the point. Alright, so you have to say it first and point as well. Are you ready? Make sure you're ready your pencil and your paper. Ready? Go. Look for the amount of money that is equal to $7.45. Yes, you found the answer? I'm sure. $2.55 plus $4.90. Good job. Is equal to $7.45. Very good. Next. Ooh, perfect. You got it right. $9.20 plus $16.35 is equal to $25.55. Next, make sure you got the point. Yep. Look for the amount of money that is equal to $12.90. Right. $4 plus $4.40 plus $4.25 plus $4.25. That's right. Next, look for the amount of money that is equal to $36.65. Perfect. You got it right. $18.25 plus $18.40 is equal to $36.55. Next, make sure to say the amount of money right and point at the same time. Yes, you are correct. $4 plus $4.45, plus $4.70. That's equal to $13.15. Good job. Yeah. Look for the amount of money that is equal to $10.05. Good. $3.35 plus $3.35 plus $3.35. That's equal to $10.05. Now that's the end. I hope you win in that game. So you are going to answer page 34 and 35 of your learner's book. Sorry, that's only in page 35, but you'll be using page 34, this part. Remember the Let's Investigate? You'll be using that game board to answer number 1. So look at the game board on the previous page. This game board on page 35, 34 rather. So letter A, how much will you have if you covered 1 5-cent coin and 3 1-cent coins? So in this game board here, this one, you try to cover 1 5-cent and then 3 1-cent coins. How much do you have now? Write your answer there in your book or in your paper or notebook. Letter B, if you covered all the coins on your side of the board, for example, your player 1, how much would there be? So how many or how much coins do you have right here if you are player 1? Now for letter C, how many different ways can you make 10 cents? So using again this game board, if you are player 1, you try to make 10 cents in different ways, just like in the game that we had. For number 2, cinema tickets cost $3.45 each. Letter A, Susie buys 4 tickets. How much does she pay? So you're going to add together 4 tickets for $3.45. Write your answer there on this page. Now letter B, Josh buys a box of popcorn and 2 milkshakes. So a box of popcorn costs $1.85, while a milkshake rather, costs $1.25. So how much does Josh spend altogether? Remember, it's only 1 box of popcorn and 2 milkshakes. Now for number 3, letter A, using coins of the same value each time, how many different ways can you make 15 cents? So if you are using 1 cent, how many 1 cent will you have if you're going to make it into 15 cents? Or if you are using 5 cents, how many 5 cents will you have if you are to make 15 cents? Now for letter B, how many different ways can you make 50 cents using only 1 cent and 5-cent coins? Remember it again? I'm sure you can answer that right away. So that's all for today. See you.